All of a sudden you look at that side.
Exactly, all of a sudden you look at bush. What are you running for?
I'm gonna giggle.
Taking care of everybody and the birthday girl.
Hungry.
What y'all doing?
Let's go. Wait.
Casey, come say hi to my vlog. You need a minute to do what? Only can do the you wanna do that again.
What?
I got the Black Forest, our favorite cake. As you can see, I'm outside where the hot tub and the pool is.
Open your feet. Yeah. You do the same.
Got me a rum runner. Oh my gosh, the sunset is beautiful. This is the Naples pier. Oh, so I guess this side is where you do your canoeing. And then you have the beach on this side. That's what I'm getting. I just saw the thing. Let me. Oh, there it is. Oh, I got it. I got it on camera. I miss mom out this side. She had. Hey, go little Uzi, 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 go little. What my mom doing?
It's getting cold outside, I might have to cuff up. I thought I wanted, but that was for summer. I might have to grab the casa, mix it with the bummer. Mix it with the, I'm a big bull, why she keep on rubbing on my belly? I got the peanut butter, mix it with the jelly. And I got some sugar, I might put it in spaghetti. She just let me know, but they show no fish. They say found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They didn't say found it, but she doesn't want.
Good morning, KK Squad. I am currently at Publix. I'm about to go pick up my mom's cake. So we're going on a road trip. I'm gonna fill you guys in with all the information. I'm so sorry, I'm just rushing this introduction, but I'm kind of late and I have to go pick up my family plus the cake. While we're on our way, I'll let you guys know what's going on. I'll let you guys know the details. Come with me to go get this cake. Oh my gosh, my hands are so dry. Took a shower, forgot to. Candles. Got the cake. All right, guys, we finally made it to the Airbnb. 2 hours later, 2 hours of driving. All right, let me show you guys. So we got bikes and chairs and igloo to go to the beach, umbrellas. You want to use the bathroom too? No. It's dark. What the light them there?
Yo. Y'all hear me?
It still looks dark. Let me try to turn.
Is it muffled or anything?
All right, nice little dining area. Got Casey in the back from New York. Ooh, this is the kitchen. What's in here? I don't know, I'm scared. Maybe it's a closet. I'll let one of them open it. But like, wait, before I show you guys the outside.
Yeah, I want this room.
That's Maureen's room. It's the birthday lady's room. Which one should they?
Everybody disappear. Oh, we got outside area too.
This is my room. This is the master bedroom. And this is my bathroom. This is gonna be my little area, my little bathroom. Oh my gosh, and they left us water. They left 2 water on the side. This is the first room. Let me show you the other room. Fortunately, Daniel in here. This is another room, and they left us water bottles. This is so nice. And then there is another room over here. All the rooms have TV in there. That's nice. And then this is outside. Oh, this is the pool area. It's huge. It looks bigger than the picture. Oh, and this is the birthday cake. What y'all think about here? It's alright? And all that? This laundry room is huge. I like it. Casey already out to do a ride bicycle. So Daniel, where you go with bag?
Oh. Hey, I said, bro, you drown it. They don't like garden. Hey, y'all, watch this.
Long sleeve in a sun. My bro and my cuz. Your birthday is this month, bro. What are you gonna do for your birthday?
Stay in the house again.
I'll probably come back with a cake, I guess. 14th birthday. Yeah. I want to say quarantine birthday. Yeah. The bag them heavy. The car dirty, me know, cause it park up. I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, that's the heavy one. Yeah, so 200 probably have to go carry that one. Let me see if I'm strong enough. No, not that heavy. Where there? Oh yes, that's the heavy one. You got it? Yeah. I know we're palming now. Like I said, I got the Black Forest, our favorite cake. Can't wait to try it. Is that chocolate around it? Is it melting?
All of a sudden, you look at that side.
Exactly, all of a sudden I look at bush. What are you running for?
I'm gonna get go.
Guys, we're about to go eat. I did not change or anything because yeah, I am the responsible one here. I have to make sure everybody's good, taking care of everybody and the birthday girl.
Hungry.
So when I come back, I'll take a shower and stuff. But we just got here like a hour ago. We just settled in for a little bit and took some photos with the birthday lady, and now we're heading back out. It's an early dinner because it's actually 5:30. So when I come back, take a shower and stuff. What y'all doing?
Wait.
Casey, come say hi to my vlog. You need a minute to do what? Only can do the you wanna do that again.
What?
Gotcha. This is my brother. They say we look alike. We're twins. Me know you're not gonna look back. That's why I said that. Me know you're not gonna look. We don't look alike. Every minute, every time we do something, you're Ian. Ian to me, Daniel look alike. And this is my other twin. You can't say me and look alike. Yeah. We have the same foot, same eye.
I love you have the same foot.
No, Daniel.
Daniel.
Daniel don't have the Clifford foot. They even gave us wine. I forgot to show you guys. This is a very nice place. Wait, guys. Open the door for me. My hand full. Alright, so let's double check to make sure it's closed. Alright, check it now. Make sure you close. You can carry home. All right, so we are here at Celebration Park, Naples. Yes, we're celebrating the birthday girl at Celebration Park. Want what? Huh? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty here. Pretty here, Celebration Park. All right, we got some food at the food truck. You don't like it?
I did.
Oh. It's okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Mom.
Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Tell us in the camera. How old are you? Don't remember?
She's 16, guys.
I'm 16.
Sweet 16. How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. You make the wish?
She wishes.
Thank you.
She wishes.
Good morning, KK squad. Well, it's afternoon. It's like around 12. Can you believe I made a whole clip with this mic and there's no audio? So literally what I'm doing right now, I already did. And I have to do it over because it was not recording. Well, it's a beautiful day today. It's the next day. We made breakfast. Oh shoot, I thought that was a real frog. Dang, I was about to run. So we already made breakfast. We made breakfast here at the Airbnb. And now we are about to head out to the beach called Clam Park Beach. This vlog, I don't know where this vlog is going. It's like a little bit all over the place because, you know, I'm the one driving. I'm the one, you know, making sure everybody's good and taken care of. So I have to be paying attention to my family and vlogging at the same time. It's kind of hard because I'm the only one that's driving. My mom doesn't drive, and you know, my brother and cousin is here as well. So sorry if this vlog is a little bit all over the place, but I will record when I can. As you can see, I'm outside where the hot tub and the pool is. Like I said, it's a beautiful day in Naples. Naples is beautiful. I actually like it here, you know. Come on. All right, we got that here. So I haven't been in the pool. It's very deep. I ain't gonna lie. It looks like around 6 feet. And also, it's a heated pool. And we have the hot tub. But when we come back from the beach, I'll check it out. And stuff like that. I heard the door. Where you guys been? Y'all was riding bikes? We're out here in Naples. And like I said, I'll keep you guys posted when we go to the park. So Daniel and I ride with you. You might play music and I ride bicycle. Oh my gosh, Casey. Please be careful. I go ride with him. Just gonna stand here and watch him ride? The Clam Park, you have to pay, right? You have to pay for parking. So I'm about to scan this thing to see like how to pay. All right, so we're just gonna take the cart over instead of walking because I heard it's like a 15 minutes walk. Everybody here.
sit down. I show you like to put it.
Oh,
Put
so you
your-
could hold it.
Up in your feet. Yeah. You do same.
Yeah.
Take off the top. Okay, put the chair and put the umbrella. Put your hand in the chairs.
Nice. Thank you so much.
You guys.
You're from Haiti?
Yes.
We're from Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. All right. So everybody good? Yes. Yes. All right. Thank you so much.
As soon as I said that, I reel it there.
It's so beautiful. Nice sunny day. Literally just saw a dolphin. Of course, it's when my camera is off. Finally reach on the beach, chilling. Big music I play. That was crazy. Like me literally see the dolphin. And I'm going to the water there. I don't know what else out there. Oh, there it is. I see it. Ooh, I see it. I just saw the fin. I just saw the fin. Let me. Oh, there it is. Oh, I got it. I got it on camera. Ah. There it is. Oh. There it is. Like I showed you guys, we got a ride, which should be like a 15 minutes walk. All you had to do was tip the driver. So I'm walking because I know they have like a shallow area. I wanted to vlog. It should look super cool. I see people fishing there and stuff like that. So I'm about to go check it out. Where Daniel and Casey is, I don't know. But trying to find them as well, because we can't be too far from each other. We're like in a different county. Like, I don't know this place, so I need them to be at least somewhat closer to where I'm at. No, this is cool. Also, it's like a lake and a beach. That's cool. Oh wow. Oh wow, is it the same beach? I'm confused. Guys, I really have to get used to this mic thing. Like this whole time I was talking to you guys without the mic, and I'm pretty sure it was windy. So sorry guys, but I made it to this area of Clam Park. As you can see, there's a boardwalk out there in the water. People are just standing up. How cool is that? Still looking for Casey and Daniel. Can't find them. But sorry about that clip earlier. I know it was windy. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. It looks more clear in person, like the water. I don't know if it's a reflection of the sun that's not making it look like that on camera, but it's pretty. It's a nice beach. This is really nice. I like this. Like I said, there's like a boardwalk going all the way out. As you can see, the people are walking all the way out. And this is what the beach is giving. Oh, so I guess this side is where you do your canoeing. Okay, that's cool. And then you have the beach on this side. That's what I'm getting. The water is so clear. It's nice. It's just not showing on camera. And it's not like rough. And it's shallow. I like that. I like that it's shallow. Got me a rum runner. Scholar rum runner. I don't have my mic, guys. Let me... Oh my gosh. I keep forgetting to keep my mic in. But I had to get me something to drink because this heat... this heat, man. I'm missing all the excitement. This one girl vlogging or recording made a spin and fell. And then these two over here, he just proposed to her. and I missed it. He literally just proposed to her. How cute. She's so happy. She's showing everybody her ring. Go again.
Yeah, can
And you can do it.
he plays sports, I don't play sports.
Oh, go help them get sturdy since you know how to do sturdy, Daniel. Go help them get sturdy. Yeah, you. Exactly. You could learn too. Go let him teach you how to get sturdy. Go. Go get sturdy. Just do it. It's just jumping up and down. One. Exactly. Better run up on me. If you do that, I'ma trip out. Better run up on me. If you do that, I'ma trip out. Trip out. Trip out. You know why I'm laughing, Casey? She don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, shoes. Yeah, man, Jordan. Yeah. The babes. First step, we got the New Yorker here. He about to teach them how to do the sturdy. Go cuz. Go cuz. Go cuz. Go cuz. Exactly. Energy. Yeah, put in the energy. I love it. I love it. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. Go, go. Bro, you got knees. You're only 18. Exactly. You got knees, Daniel. You're 18. Exactly. Oh, gosh. Listen. Hey. Just take your time. Take your time. But, hey, no break your neck, you know. Oh, God. No, no, do the black one. We're not. Yeah. I mean, it's easier to do in the sun, though. Sun and grass, it's easier to do in the sun and the grass. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I forgot I have the mic in my hand. I'll be just talking without the mic. I have to get used to this mic. Hey. Lego, drill music. Go on, mommy. This is a way sturdy plan. Go. He might show you. Yeah. Hey, hey, go cuz, go cuz. Exactly. Hey, hey, hey. But just do it. Try it, Danielle. Just try it. Hey, 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 hey. Go, Daniel. Hey, Daniel, go for the Jordan. Go for the Jordan. Go for the Jordan. Go, go, go. Go for the Jordan. Hadi, hadi. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. 4 pier. 4? Yeah, work that hip. Work that hip. It's your shoes too. All right. No, your girlfriend, I left him if you not text back. She gonna left him if you not text back. So you have to text back quick. See, they know and don't know.
This is for you.
I can't keep up. When are you going to visit me in Colombia?
Hey, check your
She not gonna left you. She not gonna left. Hey, this ain't what you want. Hey, 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 hey. I miss mom out this side. She had hey, hey, go little Uzi, 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 go little. What my mom doing? All right, let go. He's showing him how to do the moves. Casey's the dancer. Why are you acting like DDG right now? You're like, stop it, stop it. Oh, Daniel says, stop it. Here we go. Me and the DJ in the background. Go, go, go. Hey, hey. Go around now, Daniel. Go around that circle. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And then when you do the juke dance, the sunset is actually nice out here.
Oh, you got to do this 4 times.
Bro, you gotta do it like 4 times.
3, 2, 1, go.
We did it somewhat. Yay! Let me see if Daniel do it.
It's getting cold outside, I might have to cuff up. I thought I wanted, but that was for summer. I might have to grab the casa, mix it with the bummer. Mix me with the, I'm a big boy, why she keep on rubbing on my belly? I got the peanut butter, mix it with the jelly. And I got some sugar, I might put it in spaghetti.
Oh my gosh, the sunset is beautiful. This is the Naples pier. Had to come see the sunset. Oh my gosh. This is nice. Oh wow. We're here at the sunset, Naples sunset. It is so beautiful. Good morning, K Beauties and my beautiful people. It's the next morning. It's the last day in Naples. We are currently packing up to leave to check out of the Airbnb. It is 9 a.m. We're supposed to be out by 10. I'm done. I'm already done packing and stuff, so I'm about to check on everybody else to make sure they have already packed their stuff and ready to go and so forth. Yeah, so it's Sunday morning and we are about to head out. It's gonna be a 2 hours drive or a little bit like 2 hours and 5 minutes or 10 minutes or something. So we're gonna get breakfast. Then after breakfast, we might and stop at the shoe store and then we head home. So just updating you guys. Last night was just after we left the pier. Last night we just grabbed something to eat, came home. We were tired because, especially me, because I'm the only one driving. So I drove up here and then I'm the only one driving around making all the stops. So I was really, really tired. Like my body is just, just sitting around the steering wheel all day, every day for what? Nonstop. My body is not used to that. So it was a little challenging, and then on top of that, it's not like they go out like do vacations very often, so a lot of the stuff I have to show them. And so at the same time, while driving around and stuff, I'm like thinking for everybody, thinking what everybody wants to eat, where to go, I have to figure out where to take everyone, and like, just it's been one of those weekend where, yeah, brain fried. When I say brain fry, I mean my brain fried. But at the end of the day, it was a good trip. It was a successful one. Everyone enjoyed themselves, and that was the goal, for everyone to enjoy the vacation, and so they did. So that's the important part. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna close out the vlog here, or I'm gonna bring you guys to breakfast with me and shopping for my brother. My mom is buying, she's gonna buy him a Jordan sneaker or something. So not sure if I'm closing out the vlog. If not, I'll take you guys with me. So stay tuned.